Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how to do a beautiful hand embroidery floral design. This is the design we are going to do. At first, we need to sketch this pattern in the fabric. For that, we have to measure 15 inch from this rightmost portion to the center and place the sketch over there, and using powder and turpin, mixture of powder and turpin, you have to apply that above the sketch paper, pricked paper that has tiny holes. Applying this, the design will get sketched on the fabric. Yes, design got sketched. Yeah, now you can see the design in the fabric. Now here we are using two colors for the flowers and one green color for the leaves. Yeah, cut beads are used for filling leaves. Silver cut bead. Yeah, we can begin. Initially we have to do iris stitching. 3 cut beads in the middle portion of each leaves, like this. You can do that. You have to complete this entire leaves first. Before that, I will show you how to do a particular bunch of leaves and a flower. Otherwise, it will be very boring to see the entire video. The same process we are going to do in this entire work. Same process. For that, just this much we are showing first. And this is the iris stitching using the ARI needle. You have to stitch initially the leaves like this around the cut bead, like this. You have to stitch. You can learn this ARI stitching by using this ARI needle. You do like this, ARI stitching. Doing ARI stitching. Yes. Now using normal needle, we are going to take 6 strands thread, red thread, and also 6 strands of white thread to do the flower. We are doing ring knot flowers. I think you know how to do the ring knot. Initially we will set the thread for doing the ring knot. This is the red thread, another is off-white thread. Off-white we will do inside the flower, and outermost ring will be red color. Okay, have a closer look. We are doing a ring knot. This is a ring knot. This is how we can do the ring knot. Doing knots like this side by side and complete the entire outer ring like this. We have to complete it, the entire outer ring layer. This is how we can create a beautiful flower, ring knot flower, using normal needle. fill with maximum ring knots side by side. Complete one ring like this. Then lock like this. You can then do off-white knots inside white inside the flower. Do as much as possible rings, off-white rings inside to complete each flower. Yeah, I think we can do 5 knots inside it. Complete an entire flower. So this is the process of making flowers in this design. Okay, we finished one flower and leaves. We have to do this entire area. Initially we are doing cut bead work. Do cut bead work initially on all leaves. Yes, 3 cut beads, silver cut beads. It's doing using ARRI needle. Yeah, cut bead work will finish now. After that, after completing the cut bead work, we have to do the ARRI work, green ARRI work on each leaf to complete the leaf initially. Then we will go to the flower design, finish the entire flowers. Yeah, just we begin ARRI stitching to complete entire outline of leaves. This ARRI stitching can only do by a person who knows ARRI work. It's hand ARRI. It's a skilled work. It's not as simple as normal needle. It's somewhat difficult to do this ARRI stitching. But once you learn this ARRI stitching, it will be very easy to finish a design very quickly. It will take a lot of time to do using the normal needle, this type of stitching. Using ARRI needle we can do very quickly like this. Yes, we are doing ARRI stitching. Once we complete this ARRI stitching, we will finish flower work. No, before that we have to do neck portion. Neck portion we are doing ARRI stitching. Yes, we are going to finish leaf work. Now we can begin stitching of the neck. The neck area we are using two color threads for the sari stitching, so it's somewhat difficult and a slow process. Using iron needle, we will alternately take each colors one by one, then another, like that. You have to stitch it. The neck area, we will use this type of stitching, 2 layer stitching, and will fill cut beads in between the 2 parallel ari stitching. There's a gap, we are giving a gap between the 2 lines to fill cut beads in between that. Yes. Cut bead work we can do later. Before that, we are going to do the thread work, ring knot work, flower work. Yes. You want to finish flower work. You know how to do that ring knots. I'm not showing you the entire video. It will take more than 5 hours to complete this entire design. So I am showing few work only. And now we started the remaining white ring knot work. Yeah, we will finish it now. Process is going on. Yes, it's a beautiful design. It's a contrast color in blue fabric, and it look very attractive. Outer ring is red in color and middle that is white, of white. Yeah, we need to put cut beads in between the neck area. Yeah, and doing cut bead work. Finished. Then we have to take that beads and fix each beads in the center portion of each flower. Yeah, it's finished. Now we are going to finish. It's almost finished, the work. It's almost finished. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. For more hand embroidery videos, making videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.